In this video, I'm going to review propositions number 114 and proposition, of course, 115. Alright, now, here we go. We have a line CD. This is a straight line CD. And we have two angles on this line, ABC and ABD. Now, ABC is one angle, ABD is another angle, and if you add the number of degrees, let's say this was 70 degrees, and this angle right here, this ABD, was 110 degrees, 70 degrees plus 110 degrees makes 180 degrees, okay? So you have adjacent angles, they're going to total up to 180 degrees. Now, what Euclid was saying was that line BC, there's a very short line called BC, and there's another short line called BD, could be placed on top of line CD. And as you can see here, that's exactly what we've done. But what he was saying was, if line BC and line BD could not be placed on top of line CD, then what you'd have is a straight line CBE. And then you would have yet another angle, ABE. And, of course, you would have a certain number of degrees in ABC, and you'd have a certain number of degrees in ABE. And if you added the number of degrees of ABC and ABE, you would get 180 degrees. Well, he's saying, well, we've already said the angle ABC plus ABD is 180 degrees. And now we're saying that if you add the number of degrees of ABC and ABE together, you're going to get 180 degrees. Well, if you subtract ABC from CBE, which would be the 180 degrees there, and if you were to subtract ABC from CBD, believe it or not, this would be a straight line angle, you would get ABE equaling EBD. And if you did, then you'd have a problem, because the number of degrees inside angle ABE is not the same as the number of degrees in between ABD. And that's because ABE is a part of angle ABD. Therefore, line BC and line BD could be placed on top of line CD. End of story. Alright, let's go to the second one here. We have two adjacent angles, AED and AEC. Angle AED has a measurement of 110 degrees. Angle AEC has a measurement of 70 degrees. Now here's the kicker. We have another angle, now this is the same angle, AED, we've already established it's 110 degrees, and we actually have an angle DEB, which is 70 degrees. Now, if you have an angle DEC, that is actually an angle. Straight lines are actually angles, believe it or not. It's just one giant ray which forms 180 degrees. Now, we've already established that DEA is 110, AEC is 70. If you subtract 110 degrees from 180 degrees, you're going to be left with 70 degrees. Likewise, DEA and DEB equals 180 degrees. Subtract 110 degrees from 180 degrees, you get 70 degrees. So if angle DEB is 70 degrees and angle AEC is 70 degrees, then they're equal. 70 degrees equals 70 degrees. It's that simple. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.